best way to make 5 to 10K online from home as a complete beginner. All you need is a phone and a laptop. And don't worry if this seems highly competitive. The market for this is billions and billions and billions. Besides, 95% of you have already scrolled. So be sure you like and save this video for later. So this whole process is called affiliate marketing, also known as freelance digital marketing. So I'm gonna walk you through it, get you set up right now. First, head over to Digistore24 and sign up. Next, you're gonna head over to the marketplace and you can select from any one of these categories. I'm gonna choose fitness and health. So you wanna pick something like this, which is high converting, where you'll earn about 24 bucks every time you make a sale. And the reason you're gonna do that is because it's gonna make your life a lot easier because it's already proven to sell. You want to pick something that sells, right? Now when you promote that link and someone clicks on it, you'll earn a commission. My personal favorite way to do this is with high ticket affiliate marketing, where you're going to earn at least $1,000 per commission. To find out more details about that, follow and click the link in my profile.